Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I'm here today in Canyon City, Colorado. I'm about to ride over the Skyline Drive Trail, which goes above Canyon City, and it's kind of a interesting ride. According to the Butler motorcycle maps, it's a gold route, which means it's comparable to like the Rocky Mountain National Park and what have you. It's just beautiful. On the Indian Scout today, finally got it the way I wanted after messing with it for almost a year now. And it's really become a motorcycle that I enjoy very much. Also have some new camera equipment for this year. Going to be using a Insta360-1R with a 360 degree mod for it, which means I mount it to the motorcycle, push record, and ride away, and then I figure everything else out later. It's just been a marvelous piece of equipment, and I've really been enjoying it. Anyway, here we come through the arch, heading up the path. There's places on this path where it's hundreds of feet down and hundreds of feet up, so it's not a friendly path to be not paying attention on if you're the driver. But as you see, it'll come over. You see Highway 50 off to the right side here in a little bit. And then you'll see it come over to overlook Canyon City and several mountain ranges. It's just really, really beautiful. At any rate, I just want you guys to sit back and relax, enjoy the ride here as I did, and welcome back to the Motovlog channel. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your support. If you think I did a good job in this video and you like it, please smash that subscribe button for me, and we'll see you in lots more great videos throughout the course of the summer. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.